Hi, Reception. Welcome to your next video. Did you enjoy the story? Oh, fantastic. So this week we're thinking all about time. Hmm, but what part of time? Because time is a really big topic and it can mean lots of different things. Well, I've got a box here which might help us work out what it is we are doing today. Now, there are some words in here, and these words can be really important for the work we're doing for the next few days. So should we pop some of these words out and see if we can work out what it is we're doing? Okay, let's have a look at the first word. Ooh, got the word later. Okay. Got the word after. The word before. The word then. Soon. Are you seeing any patterns here, Reception, and the types of words we'll have? The word next. Oh, this one doesn't want to come out. The word now. One more in our box. The word first. Reception. Is there anything you notice about all of these words? Yeah, they're all words that help us to order things. Order. That's a word that we've used before in one of our other videos. Actually, I think it was one of our literacy videos when we talked about ordering a story. And that word's going to be really important for our maths work too. Reception. Can you pause the video and talk to your helper? What does it mean to order things? Well done. When we order things, we are thinking about what happened first, what happened next, and we're doing that all the way until we get to our end point, so that we are putting things in an order from start to finish. And we can order all kinds of things. We can order stories like we've done, but you can also order actions. And that's what we're doing today. We are going to be ordering some actions. Now, do you know what an action is? You know what? I've heard so many different answers then because there are lots of different actions. Brushing our hair is an action. Smiling is an action. Waving is an action. Well, we're going to be looking at actions today that you might have already done today, but you definitely will be doing at some point if you haven't yet. We are going to be looking at things that we do every day and looking at the order we do them in. And then when we've ordered our actions, we're going to use words to describe that order. We're going to use words like this, these time words. Would you like to do that with me? Okay, I'm just going to pause the video while I get the activity ready. I'll see you in a moment. Hi, Reception, welcome back. Very quick sort out there. Thank you so much for waiting. Now, before we start this activity, you have been sent home some pictures of some different actions that we are going to order today. So if you can, print them off. If not, don't worry. You can draw your own and you can join in with your pictures you've made at home, okay, helpers? Or you can watch what I do on the screen. Okay, then, Reception. So we know we're ordering actions. But why is it important to have things in the right order, I wonder? Can you think back to when we made our jam sandwich? What was the first thing we did? Can you remember? Can you tell me? What did we do first? That's right. The first thing we did was we got everything we needed ready, didn't we? What was the first thing we did to the sandwich? Or to the bread, sorry. That's right. We had to spread our butter on, didn't we? Can you remember what you did next? We put the jam on top. Fantastic. What was the very last thing we did? The tastiest part. That's right. We ate the sandwich, didn't we? So we had to make our sandwich in the right order because if we didn't, we wouldn't have ended up with a sandwich. We probably would have ended up with a great big mess. I mean, imagine if instead of putting the jam on inside the bread, we tried to put the jam on before we got the bread. We just have jam sploshed all on the side. Imagine if you tried to put your shoes on before your socks. What would happen? That's right. Your feet would have no socks on, and your socks would be squashed over your shoes and they'd get really muddy. Imagine if you went to bed before you put your pajamas on. You'd have no pajamas on in your bed, would you? Imagine if you ate your dinner before you cooked it. Oh, you might be eating some dry, uncooked, crunchy pasta instead of nice, soft cooked pasta. So doing things in the right order is really important, isn't it? And I've got an activity to do with you now where I need you to help me order some pictures of something I do every day, twice a day. I'll give you a clue. That's right. Brushing my teeth. Do you brush your teeth every day? Do you brush for 2 minutes? That's good news. We want to make sure your teeth are nice and healthy. Now, I've got some pictures here of someone brushing their teeth, and I need to put them in the right order because remember, today we are using words to order our actions and describe them. So I need to make sure that the first thing I do is I get my pictures in the right order because then I'll be able to talk about them, won't I, and use some of our fabulous time words there. So let's have a look at what we've got today. So, where did that go? That way. Mrs. Hutt's getting all tangled up. Here we go. We've got 4 pictures and they're all jumbled up. So we've got a picture here of someone putting some toothpaste on a toothbrush. We've got someone getting their toothbrush. We've got someone putting water on their toothbrush and somebody brushing their teeth. Now I'm going to have a go first. Would you watch me order my pictures and then I'm going to use some words to describe the order. Okay, so what do I need to do first? Well, when we order things, we have to start at the beginning, don't we? The first thing we do. Now, you might do things slightly different to me, possibly, but this is my order. So when I am brushing my teeth, the first thing I do is I get my toothbrush out of the pot. That's the very first thing I do. And then when I've got my toothbrush, I put a little bit of water on. That's what I do first. Also, what I do next. Once my toothbrush is wet, I squeeze a little bit of toothpaste on. Then I'm ready to brush my teeth. So that's the order I would put those in. I put them in order from start to finish when I brush my teeth. But that's not all we're doing today. No, we're also describing the actions, aren't we? And we're using words to help show the order. So I'm going to have a go now at choosing some of these words to talk you through the steps, and I'm going to try and use some different ones because it can be very easy to keep using the same word again and again and again. But I'm going to try and mix it up a bit. Okay, so let's have a look at what I've got. Oh, this is a good one for the very start picture, isn't it? The very first picture. First. So I'm going to use this one. So, first of all, I find my toothbrush. This one. Next, I run my toothbrush under the tap. After that, I put some toothpaste on my toothbrush. And now I brush my teeth. Oh, I'm pleased with that reception because I've ordered my pictures from start to finish and I've used some words to help me describe the steps I take. Do you think you could help me do the next one? Fantastic. Let's put our words back up. We're going to need them in a moment. But I'm going to need you now to help me order some new pictures for a different activity I have to do. Now, I don't do this one every day. I do this one a few times a week. Are you ready to see? In fact, shall I put them on the board and see if you can guess what's going on in the pictures? Probably should have paused the video. Sorry, reception. I'll be super quick. Come on, Mrs. Hutt. Quick, quick. Okay. So, put you in there so you're in a row. Oh, reception. Do you know what's happening in these pictures? Can you see? That's right. Someone's washing their hair. So we need to put these into order, don't we? Because that's what we're doing today. We are ordering actions and we are describing them using our time words. So step one is you've got to get our pictures in the right order from start all the way to the finish point. So when you're washing your hair, have a think. What's the very first thing you need to do? Do you... Oh, I know. You dry your hair first. No, sorry. No, of course you don't. You have to get your hair wet, don't you? If your hair's not wet, you won't be able to put the shampoo in and get it nice and bubbly. Okay, so let's find the picture where we're getting our hair wet. When you see me near it, say, "Stop, Mrs. Hutt!" Yes! Well spotted, reception. There's our first picture. And in that picture, the girl is getting her hair nice and wet. Okay, so once your hair's wet, what do you need to do next? Yes, that's right. You need the shampoo. The shampoo's not going to jump onto your head on its own. You've got to put some in your hand, haven't you? Can you see a picture of someone getting some shampoo on their hand? Oh, will you help me find it? You ready? Tell me when I get there. Say, "Stop, Mrs. Hutt." There it is. Well spotted, reception. So that's right. So once your hair's wet, the next thing you need to do is to get your shampoo on your hands. Thank goodness you're here to help me. Okay, so we're still thinking about the right order. So I've just put the shampoo on my hands. What do I do with then? I know. I've got my arms. No. Oh, I know. Drink it. No, don't do that. Ugh. Very bad for you. Don't do that. Can you tell me what I need to do? Of course. You need to rub it through your hair to get it nice and clean. Can you see a picture of someone washing their hair and bubbling it up nicely? Is it this one here? I can see bubbles here. Oh, it's not this one. You don't think it's this one? Okay. What about this one? Well done. There's the girl washing her hair, really, really making lots of lovely bubbles to clean her hair. Okay, so you've put all the bubbles in. What has to happen after that? Oh, I see. Then we need to wash it out because you have to clean all the bubbles out. Otherwise, you have itchy hair, won't you? You need to wash away all the dirt so you'll just be left with wet, clean hair. Well, I think I know this one. Is it this one, reception? Oh, I thought so. I can see now that it makes sense because the water is washing away all the bubbles. Okay, there's one left. Must be this one at the end. Is that right? What do you think? What's happening in that picture? Of course, she's using a towel to dry off her hair. So she's finished cleaning her hair and now it's time to dry it. Oh, wow, look at us. We've got that in the right order. Thank you, reception. Now, what do we need to do next? Now we've ordered our pictures. What's our next task? Yes, we've got to use these time words, haven't we, to describe what happens and to tell someone what the order is. Okay, should we have a go at doing this together? Okay then. So I need a word to show that this is happening right at the beginning. What word could that be from our list, I wonder? Well done, reception. I could use first again because it's the first step in our little sequence of pictures. So, what could I say? What would you say, reception, for this part? First of all, you need to wet the hair. Brilliant. What would you say for this one, reception? That's a good idea. After you've got your hair wet, put shampoo into your hands. Brilliant. Reception, I think my video is going to cut out in a moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause it and start a new one. Will you come back and join me afterwards? Brilliant. Thank you so much. I'll see you really soon. Bye.